Watch out, dude.
Oh, thank you. So this is my first mow on the new grass with the rotary mower. The Honda worked out pretty good for mulching up leaves. I just took the leaves from this side of the house and scattered them all over the front. This works really good for free fertilizer. It's healthy for your grass. It acidifies the soil slightly. Overall, it's pretty beneficial to get those leaves mulched up in there instead of blowing them out to the curb like most people do. Just as long as it doesn't completely smother the grass. This might be a little bit thick, but it's okay, it'll break down. As a majority of the leaves were on this side of the lawn, you can see that this is pretty barren, but it still had a little bit of leaves over there. Mowed it about 1.5 inches for the last time of the year. I think this is probably going to be my last mow. Just a quick state of the lawn update from my renovation earlier this year. Grass took pretty good except for the south side of the house here. I've always had issues over here, so I'm hoping this fills in the spring. It might be a little bit thin. That's probably about 4 or 5 feet across by 6 feet this way. Kind of spotty. I don't know why the grass seed didn't take. I had this pretty well covered with irrigation. Speaking of irrigation, I put my sprinklers away about 3 weeks ago, so the only water that this lawn has had has been from rain. And you can see the color is still pretty good considering it has had no supplemental irrigation. Like I said, there's a few bare spots along this side of the house. The front took pretty good. The fence is done and stained. For some reason, I think when I stained everything, the overspray killed whatever was along my fence line here. So I used a paint sprayer for the stain. You can see it's kind of brown right here. That's the stain color actually. It's kind of matted. I might have to rake this up, but it looks like it's totally dead. There might be a little bit of green under there. We'll see what it looks like in the springtime. But I was kind of sad about that. So I got this line of dead grass all the way along my fence. Kind of looks ugly. Ew. See what the neighbors do with their leaves. They throw them in the lawn. That's free fertilizer, guys. But I suppose if you have too many leaves, you mulch up some of them and then either bag the rest or blow it out to the street where the village comes and sucks them all up. So anyway, that's what the lawn is looking like. Pretty happy about the color. It's a little spotty, but I'm hoping it'll even out come springtime. These will blow around. Yeah, that's pretty much how things are looking now. This side wasn't seeded or any care was done to this side of the driveway, but it's still looking pretty good. Anyway, I just wanted to give a quick update, guys. That's all I've got for today. I'm going to finish up the backyard now. Until next time, please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.